Today's January 26th. This is a midweek report. www.wetttraderllc.com, folks. January 26th. It's a little past 6 o'clock. Trying to get to you guys sooner. Look at this, guys. I'm telling you, I've been watching this thing. This market really soon is going to tell you guys what's really going on. And let me show you. You see these levels here? This is a 1 hour chart. I'm thinking this could be a huge head and shoulder bottom. A bottom is a reversal pattern where the buyers and sellers run out. And then the market starts backpedaling. Why? Because there's no more people to sell. So we'll see what happens. We've had a real strong downtrend here. I don't know if you folks can see this. I always look for this. That's why I was so excited when we had the key reversal on the weekly to the upside, folks. Key reversal. We did get stopped out here. But like I said, we took a 6-tick loss. We got blown out of our first number at 66. We use a 6-tick. We use a 6-tick stop. It's a $300 loss. If I'm going to take a hit on this trade, if I'm going to place a bet to see if I'm right, and I'm willing to risk $300, I click the button on. Real simple, folks. Real simple. So back to the head and shoulder bottom here. This is what a left shoulder kind of looks like right here. This would be the right shoulder right here. The thing I really like is the support lines are really close. 49 and I think 51 and a quarter. Here would be the head. So this would be the neckline. We still got to break through this. This is at 1900 level, folks. 1900. We pop through this 1900. It will be a free-for-all. Because people will start getting... We'll start bumping into some stops, and they're going to have to start liquidating. So, the other thing about a head and shoulder bottom, folks, is that you know about the approximate objective. Now, I'm telling you right now, this is 1804, about 1907 here, 100 points, plus 1907, 2007. We're talking about right around here, folks, right around here. I think this puppy's going to go right around here. Let me see if I can draw me a big fat zero, because I'm thinking it's going to happen right up in this area, folks. Right up in this area is where I think this market's going to go. If I had a marker, I'd fill this in right here, folks. So, and I can get the exact numbers based on my software, based on the formula. If you are a full subscriber, and you pay the full price for the training, we're going to get all these numbers way in advance, which is great, because like I said, I'm just trying to get the highest probability with the lowest amount of risk. You're going to risk. Look at this thing. You see this? This is autopilot. I don't even run it myself live autopilot. I'm doing this just for testing. Right now, I take the trades that I feel are really good trades. But the way I program the software, folks, it's a trend software. The trend is your friend. Look at this. Sure, it's going to trade here. Now, I could also set this thing at an 1840 green line, red line, as long as it stays above it. Every time it hits these numbers, it's going to buy. So here you might have bought, or got stopped out and bought again, which either way you'll take your loss. Here you didn't get stopped out on this short. It actually flattened here, and then it actually went long. And then went all the way up here. It gets out at 2 red bars right here. So it moved the stop here, and then went here. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is a 5-minute chart, folks. 5-minute chart. Right-click on the software, pull it up. 825 for the day. That's for the day. 825 for the day, folks. And this is the Tuesday's close. Let me see what we got wound up. We did get a late start on Monday. We were only up $1.25. We had some technical difficulties. It was on the demo side. Live side was not affected. So it didn't go until 10 versus Sunday night, which is when we usually start it. 15-minute, look at this. Sell here, sell here. We didn't quite make it to the buy here. And My reason being 68 was the 18. The low was 70. Yeah, I got to check on that because that would have been a nice area to buy. So this is how I check on it right here. That was at 70. And that's the other thing, too. You see these lows? These are also telling you where the significant highs and lows are. These are telling you here, just these two numbers here, is the current retracement. So you can use this high and low to plug it into a retracement formula, which you get with a full subscription. So I'm just going to get back to the updates. Sorry, I got carried away on a tangent there. I'm going to show you something else on a longer time frame chart because I want you guys to see the big picture here. See, this is a monthly chart. Okay, this is a monthly 1, 2, 3. Like I said, monthly chart. This thing could pull back anywhere in this range. This is the weekly chart I was talking about. I'm a visual guy, see? So now we have a key reversal up. And this is kind of looking like here. See this? It's kind of, see down here? Support. We haven't had a close below this 1867 area. And so 1, 2, 3, 4. I still think there's a high probability we can come back down. All I'm saying is there's also a probability we can retest some of these moving averages. And there's plenty of room to retest. So for you day traders, for you people that want to do this part-time, you got another key reversal to the upside. You want to buy the PP. And this actually reduces your risk a lot. Key reversal to the upside, folks. Listen to me. Buy the PP. Sell R1, whatever happens first. High probability trade, folks. High probability. Take a look. Where do you think it's going to go? I'll show you where it's going to go. You have a higher probability because the numbers are right here for me, folks. 27 right there. 79 is the PP, folks. Buy PP. We just had a bid. This is for you night, folks, you part-time traders. Just had a bid right here. We'll see what happens. We did have a little gap here. 1, 2, 3. We could come down and make another lower low here. We'll see what happens. We're going to retest this. But this is the PP, folks. Plus or minus. If this thing's plus or minus 6 points from the PP, turn it on. Turn it on. And if you can see right here, folks, my daily PP, 79.60, which is 79.50 or 75. This is what we're predicting where at least the low is going to be. Not sure if this is going to hold, but it might. And also, if you look here, we have a low. If I'm running it from high to low, here we go for the weekly. I knew it was a strong close on the week, higher than the previous week. The PP 70 there as well, see? Now we're going to get support. Here's my next target, folks, 1936. We actually have a sell number near this area as well. Right over here, a 1939.63. So we have a very high probability that there's a, like I said, once we get past the 1905 and 15 area, we got 30, and then we're going to be going to the 50, and then it's 90, and then it's 2,000. So there's not a lot of resistance in between here if this is a true head and shoulder. Only time will tell, folks, but it's a great opportunity. 1924 here is just your S2. I mean, heck, the PP for the month is actually 20. That's huge. 20, 38, 20, 39. So, if we get back close to this range, here's the current PP. This is actually January. So we're going to be closing out this bar probably at the end of the week here with the 31st and Monday. So, we could come close here, and this would be a breakout day. If it's an inside trading range, we close up there. We still got a way to go, but we're close. We're close. So, this is next resistance still right now. This is the current bar, so we use these numbers down one bar. We're trying to predict tomorrow. we'll try and predict today from the data we have tomorrow, folks. That's how the software works. If I use the same price action, the same wave, gives us really nice levels for support and resistance. If we focus our trades on those areas and risk our 6 points, folks, that's what we want to do. Because if I'm going to buy this 1859.58 and I'm wrong, that's okay. Take my 6 at 53. I buy again at 32. You see what I'm saying? There's always an opportunity. And look at this. 51, and we came all the way down. So we'll see what happens today. www.wetttraderllc.com. Like me on Facebook. Get a free demo. Sign up for some charts. Sign up for some high probability trading. If that's what you're looking for, we can get that to you here at Wett Trader LLC. This is for the week. Turn it on. Well, we didn't turn it on. We didn't do Sunday night Asia trading. This is starting the U.S. on Monday. We did get stopped out twice, like I told you, on that 66. But here we got 12. We got 17, 3, 4, 44, 3,400. Not too bad, folks. www.wetttraderllc.com. Like me on Facebook. This has been the update for January 29, 2016. Thanks, guys.